Ashley with Duck Brand. I'm going to show you how to install Duck Brand shrink film window kits, which will help save on energy costs and increase the comfort of your home. Let's get started on how to install your window kit. First, place your double-sided tape around the window, leaving the adhesive backing on the side facing out. Cut the film to the width of the window. Take off the liner from the double-sided tape you've already applied in the first step. Now, pull the film tightly around the entire window. Using a hairdryer, shrink the film around the window until all of the wrinkles are gone. Once you've got it taped, wrapped, and shrunken, be sure to cut any of the excess plastic. There are a few differences in some of the shrink film technologies out there for windows. Let's go over when to use what. Standard indoor shrink film is meant to provide normal insulation for a large variety of windows. Standard outdoor shrink film features more aggressive double-stick tape adhesion to stand up to lower temperatures on the outside of your home. Heavy-duty shrink film comes with the same tape, but the shrink film is 2 times thicker for greater durability. This is perfect for high-traffic areas like windows and hallways or on doorways. And the shrink film is puncture resistant, making it perfect if you have kids or pets.